everyone. My name is Nagma and I'm here with a very special guest, a business tycoon, Mr. Harsh Vashisht, the founder of Satyam Group of Companies. But today we are not here to talk about business. We are here to talk about something more deeper. There is an initiative that Mr. Harsh and his team has started off with, and we call it the Hoo Ha Ho, which is human happiness and hope. So we are here today to discuss with Mr. Harsh what Hoo Ha Ho is all about. What does this all sounds? It just sounds like different syllables, right? It's just not that. It's human happiness and hope. So welcome, Mr. Harsh, to the conversation. And my first question to you is, what is Hoo Ha Ho?
This Hoo Ha Ho is basically combination of three words, which is human, first two letters Hu, H-U, happiness, which is again first two letters Ha, and hope, the first two letters. So human, staying happy, keeping the hope alive. So that's our tagline. So we basically work on these three things: इंसानियत, खुशियाँ and उम्मीदें. So I think this is a need of the hour, and everybody in the world looking for it, irrespective of any age group, any sector, even a school goer or a RWA members or a organization, government, private sector, everybody is working for human happiness and hope. So that's the need of the hour that we realize. So we are doing it this almost now last 2 years, and we started same into Australia. And that's my sister Ruchi, she's handling it, and we are running a FM channel also there, which is 98.1 Hello Zindagi, and which is very much in demand in Melbourne, Victoria, this channel, and we are very happy.
That's really amazing to hear. Something that we started off in India is doing amazingly well in Melbourne, which shows the importance. It's really the need of the hour. But I'm very intrigued. So with Satyam Group, you are really flourished in many industries. Let it be education, let it be healthcare, many industries, real estate, 450 plus employees. You're doing amazingly well as a businessman, I could say that. But then how and what motivated you to come back or give back into the society and start Hoo Ha Ho? What is the thought processes and what are your inspirations behind this venture?
So basically, it depends on see, we are working almost for the 3 decades now, and we realized that something is missing somewhere. So we started a skill center almost 12 years back, which is SCOPE, Satyam Center of Professional Excellence. So we seen a lot of things like youngsters, they want to become a you can say bouncer outside a cafe instead of a technician, instead of a carpenter, or instead a yoga instructor. So we started with this mission that हमारे देश का युवा बाउंसर ना बने, प्रोटीन एक्स खा के, ना उससे भागा जाएगा, ना उसमें फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ होगी, बट केवल एक दिखावा है, राइट. सो बेटर कि हम उसको स्किलिंग में ले आएँ. एंड उसके पीछे भी ऑब्जेक्टिव ये था कि मेरे दादाजी या हम सबके ग्रैंडफादर्स, हमने उन सबको देखा है कि ये सुनते हुए कि इंडिया इज़ ए डेवलपिंग कंट्री. सेम मेरे फादर ने सुना, इंडिया इज़ ए डेवलपिंग कंट्री. सेम मैं सुन रहा हूँ और सेम मेरे बच्चे भी सुन रहे हैं. हम डेवलप कब होंगे भाई? ऑलरेडी अगर हम देखा जाए तो हमसे ज़्यादा डेवलप कोई है ही नहीं वर्ल्ड में. हमारे यहाँ तो गिन्नियाँ चलती थी. हमारे यहाँ एक्सचेंज जब होता था तो मेटल, पीतल, इन सब के हमारे यहाँ कॉइन्स होते थे. अब मेटल की वैल्यू आज क्या है इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में? वी ऑल नो. हमारा जो अशोक स्तंभ है उस पर आज तक जंग नहीं लगा. इट्स ऑफ विच मेटल? सो हमारे मसाले दे आर वर्ल्ड फेमस. और हमारे यहाँ तो सब चीज़ें इतनी डेवलप थी कि हमारे इतिहास में, हमारे ग्रंथों में, हमारी बुक्स में एवरीथिंग इज़ डिफाइंड. इट इज़ ऑल साइंटिफिक. और वही सब चीज़ें थी जिसने हमें अल्टीमेटली मोटिवेट किया कि इफ़ वी वांट टू ड्राइव आवर यूथ, बिकॉज इंडिया इज़ द मोस्ट यंगेस्ट नेशन. हमारे यहाँ 70% पॉपुलेशन इज़ बिलो 35. सो उनको ड्राइव करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड समाओ जो आज मेरी एज ब्रैकेट के हैं लोग 35 to 55, हम लोगों ने अपनी जनरेशन को केवल कंफर्ट दिया है. हम लोगों ने उनको वैल्यूज़ और ये चीज़ें नहीं दी हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमारे यहाँ थोड़ा डिससेटिस्फेक्शन है कि हमारे यहाँ जो अब बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं, दे वांट टू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग थ्रू गूगल, विच इज़ नॉट राइट. बेटा बाप की नहीं सुन रहा, घर में प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, 1000 करोड़ के बाद भी सोच रहे हैं इसका करना क्या है, क्योंकि बच्चे तो बाहर जा चुके हैं. और जिसके पास अच्छे स्कोर हैं वो भी दे आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग डिप्रेस्ड कि यार ये 95 के बाद भी क्या करना है। बच्चे आज फेलियर देख नहीं सकते, दे आर इनटू बिग डिप्रेशन। तो ये सब जो काउंसलिंग है, ये सारी चीज़ें समवेयर समथिंग इज़ मिसिंग। आई थिंक हम बहुत ज़्यादा डिजिटल पे डिपेंड हो गए हैं एंड वी शुड नॉट। तो हमें बात करनी पड़ेगी, हमें घर बैठ के इकट्ठे हफ्ते में एक बार डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठ के सबसे साथ खाना खाना पड़ेगा एंड वी शुड स्टार्ट लिसनिंग ईच अदर। द मोमेंट वी स्टार्ट लिसनिंग तो ऑटोमेटिकली सॉल्यूशंस निकलते चले जाएंगे। द प्रॉब्लम इज़ मोबाइल केवल दिखाता है, वो बात नहीं करता। तो एक तो यूथ था, प्लस वी रियलाइज़ कि हमारी इंडस्ट्री के अंदर पीपल डोंट वांट टू कम। गाड़ियाँ बेच रहे हैं हम लोग, बट रिपेयर करने वाले लोग ही नहीं है। एंड ऑल आर हाई टेक कार्स, कनेक्टेड कार्स, लॉट ऑफ हाई टेक्नोलॉजी, कौन करेगा? तो यूथ को अगर ड्राइव करना है तो थोड़ा सा हमें हैप्पीनेस में आना पड़ेगा एंड ऑटोमेटिकली आई थिंक यंगस्टर्स दे हैव फुल ऑफ एनर्जीज, फुल ऑफ पोटेंशियल, जस्ट वी नीड टू ड्राइव देम एंड द बेस्ट वे इज टू क्रिएट ए कनेक्ट communication. So we started scaling, then we started preventive healthcare. Preventive healthcare, when I say preventive healthcare means our body gives signal. रात को गले में दर्द हुआ तो पता चला कि यार अगर अब ध्यान नहीं दिया तो कल फीवर हो जाएगा और उसके बाद मेरे 5 दिन खराब हो जाएंगे। बट वी इग्नोर, किसी ने दही खा ली, किसी ने 2 और बर्फ़ के आइस क्यूब्स डाल के टकीला लगा लिया, सो विच इज़ नॉट राइट। तो वी शुड we should catch our signals and we should prevent ourselves instead of taking paracetamol. बुखार ज़्यादा है तो आप ले लीजिए, but if it is below 100 then you should fever is like restarting your body. So we do ध्वनि से उपचार, sound therapy, and I guarantee, I'm an engineer by profession, but I guarantee thyroid, diabetes, insomnia, hypertension, you can repair just through sound. It is very simple. You need not to take any injection, any medicine, just sound therapy. Even voice, even music, it's a part of sound therapy. And the best part is, everything is science here. When we do havan, तो हमें पंडित जी बोलते हैं दिस शरीर जो है पंच तत्वों का बना हुआ है। सो 5 एलिमेंट्स लाइक भूमि, जल, वायु, आकाश, अग्नि. So the powerful element in our body is water, which is 70-72%, right? And when we throw something in water, what happens? It creates ripples, tarange. Same way, sound is a form of energy. When we listen, so it disturb our water in our body, and automatically we get cured. अगर आप कैलाश खेर जो फेमस सिंगर पद्मश्री हैं हमारे देश के, उनका आदि योगी सुने तो आपकी क्या फीलिंग आती है? इट इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वेलनेस सॉन्ग. You feel cool, calm. That's the need of the hour.
That's actually very interesting. Like you said, a lot of it that we need to live a good life is already written down. It's already there in our Upanishads and our Vedas and our practice of yoga for that matter. All of that is already there. But the only problem is that are we applying it? That's a bigger question today. So with Huha Home, I also understand that you have a center in Delhi, right? So how all are you being able to reach out to the youth today? And I want to understand is one, how are you able to reach out? What all are you actually doing for them? And second, how was the response? I'm very curious to understand the response. Is the youth taking in these and are they going back and applying it to their life?
So thankfully this name itself, Huha Ho, when you pronounce, you get a smile on your face. So purpose is almost achieved. So important is through this we have 30 techniques. So the name is very catchy. Our content is very catchy. Like the center which we are now making bigger, already it is existing, where we have all kinds of therapy and very good cafe based on totally millet foods. And the center which we are coming up is having few features I just want to highlight. It's having a akhada. Akhada is like a place where you do kushti, right? Wrestlers. So if you have any grudges, like बेटे को बाप से प्रॉब्लम है, फ़ोन साइड में रखे अखाड़े में लड़ ले. So we are creating boxing rings, we are creating auditoriums, we are creating little sound therapy rooms, salt room. So if I say salt room, then Senda Namak itself is a product, natural product, which is having 100 minerals. So it cures a lot of things. If you sit in that aura in surrounding of salt cabin, right? So it automatically purifies your body. It attracts all pollens from the atmosphere. So the asthmatic patients and a lot of positivity comes into your body and everything. We are coming up with the oxygen bar also. Like you sit there and enjoy fresh oxygen, and yoga room and sound room, and lot of activities you can do. Physical activities basically. Just keeping phone aside, enjoy the cafe and the other stuff. And we have 30 techniques in Hoo-How, and which our team created with their life experiences. When I say 30 techniques, so I would like to highlight few of them. One technique is power of 7. So we all know James Bond, right? It is 007. Why? And when we say James Bond, we feel positive, we feel elevated, we feel confident, we feel mature, right? Those feelings. So 7 is a very powerful number. 7 continents, 7 stars, 7 days, 7 colors, 7 glands, even 7 fere, right? So 7 is a very powerful number just to connect anybody who is feeling depressed with James Bond 7. And James Bond ki kitni series aa chuki hai, and they created and they minted billions of millions money, right, out of it. So one technique is Gadaria. So who is Gadaria? Gadaria is a person who is uneducated but very much skilled. He knows his responsibilities. He drive the herd of ships. 500 भेड़े पहाड़ पर लेकर गया दिन में, और 500 को वापस अपने पास लेकर आना है विद सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी, कि कोई भी शेर उन्हें खा ना जाए. सो दिस इज द रोल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ए गडरिया. सो इन ए कंपनी, ए मैनेजर इज अ गडरिया. ही इज ड्राइविंग हिज टीम, ही इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सक्सेस ऑफ हिज टीम, राइट? सो द अदर टॉपिक इज ऑमलेट. ऑमलेट हमने अंडा देखा ही है, तो ऑमलेट कैसे बनता है? When some external force hit the egg, then we have to eat omelette. So this is only one time. And the moment you start hitting yourself from inner, तो birth होता है. So birth is important or omelette is important? So of course birth, which is very positive. So if you want to change something, you have to activate your inner strength, right? So this is one topic, omelette. And one topic which is very interesting and very much in demand from schools and the organizations, the topic name is I know, I don't know. For example, 2 technicians, they are working on a floor and they are doing something on a customer's car. One technician realized the other one has left few screws unscrewed. उसने properly उसको tight नहीं किया, and he understand कि ये गाड़ी वापस आएगी, इसमें कंप्लेंट आएगी, कंपनी का नाम ख़राब होगा, टेक्नीशियन का नाम ख़राब होगा, प्लस हमारी इमेज डिटोरेट होगी. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ही इज़ फीलिंग हैप्पीनेस इनटू इट. आज ये फंस गया. सो दिस इज हैपनिंग इन आवर सोसाइटी. आज ये फंस गया, आज इसको डांट पड़ने वाली है, आज इसको गाली पड़ने वाली है. But he is not understanding we both are working for one organization. So organization is supreme. So nation is supreme. So the topic I know, I don't know is very much relevant in today's time. So these are the certain topics. We have total 30 techniques. So we are working on this.
It's actually really interesting. It's very small things from our daily life, how they can turn into big lessons. That's actually a huge thing. And what you told about a lot of things, like even the salt. Like I'm a yoga trainer by passion, so a lot of the concepts that you were telling also, personally I could connect with them. So all these 30 techniques, how you are inculcating education to the youth, you're focusing on the youth. What are the major pillars? What are your major pillars of knowledge, or like a system, however you call it? Are there like 3-4 major pillars that you are working with Hoo-How that you are trying to inculcate?
Like we decided to work with schools, especially the students who are below 7th standard, because to make them understand is easy on the different parameters like wellness, social responsibility, moral responsibility, and the soft scaling part. And then we are working on youth who are into teenage and up to 25 years of age, because they are more exposed to digital world. And this is very good part that they want to understand logic first, to understand everything which is right or wrong for them. So this is good. So but we have to make understand to them in a different manner, the way they want, right? For example, we work on moral responsibility. Simple example, in a family there is a family gathering. एक भतीजा एक छोटा बेटा सीट पे बैठा हुआ है और उसने जैसे ही अपने चाचा को खड़ा देखा तो उसने बोला प्लीज़ आए आके बैठिए, या उसकी मदर ने उसको टोका अरे प्लीज़ वेकेट द सीट, इट इज़ फॉर योर एल्डर्स. तो दिस इज़ मोरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू रिस्पेक्ट रिगार्ड टू अदर्स. वो कोई भी हो सकते हैं, अपने भी हैं दूसरे भी हैं. एंड वन मोर एग्जाम्पल लाइक ऑफ माई एज ग्रुप, हमारे जो लोग हैं वो सुबह उठने के बाद दे टच फीट ऑफ देयर पेरेंट्स. बट आजकल के बच्चे बोलते हैं गुड मॉर्निंग पापा, हाय पापा, और शायद वो भी नहीं बोलते. तो हमें उन्हें टोकना पड़ेगा कि भाई पैर छू. It is our culture and it is a science also. If you want to take positivity of anybody, just touch their feet. So that's the logic behind it. But this is a part of moral responsibility. Same society. We should not understand कि केवल मैं अपने लिए करूँ. Important is we should think about our nation first. या आप अपने बारे में सोचिए तो keeping the nation interest into this, right? सो मेक देम रिस्पॉन्सिबली. लाइक हमारे पीएम ने जैसे इनिशिएटिव लिया कि हम कूड़ा नहीं फेंकेंगे 2014 में. आप देखिए रोड्स पे एटलीस्ट एक कॉन्शियस तो हमें अंदर से आती है, नहीं यार ये करना नहीं है. सो वी शुड टॉक अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड स्पेशली मेंटल एंड फिजिकल वेलनेस. सो वी शुड डिस्कस एंड वी शुड नॉट फील शाय और वट एवर यू कॉल इट. जो भी दिल में निकाल दीजिए, स्पेशली जो हमारे नियर एंड डियर वंस हैं, रिलेटिव्स हैं. वी शुड नॉट कीप एनी ग्रजेस इन आवर हार्ट. जस्ट बोल के अपने को हल्का करो, दूसरे को भारी कर दो. अपने को हल्का करो, वो भी अपने को हल्का कर लेगा ना. एंड द फोर्थ इज सॉफ्ट स्किलिंग. व्हेन आई से सॉफ्ट स्किलिंग मीन्स वी शुड लुक डिसेंट. वंस the guys who are 12th or graduate, they want to establish themselves into a commercial world, right? For them they should look decent in their everything, their presentation and everything. Then only their career. This is very important. So these are the small things which we want to touch base. And youth, they are definitely, we are getting very good response. Like we have done many sessions for IRCTC, which is railways. We have done for Delhi Police. We have done for Delhi Traffic Police. We have done almost for 20,000 students last summer on these small topics. And we are working very, very closely with many organizations, and everybody is feeling the need of this. Especially we talk about corporate, they don't need a good gym, they don't need a good canteen, they need a good wellness instructor. जो स्टाफ से बात कर सके, भाई what is your problem, what is in your mind which is bothering you to achieve your numbers, whatever way your job, whatever you are into job role, right? So these are the important things which corporate need to understand, which even a RW they can organize it as a wellness part. But थोड़ा सा रिक्वेस्ट यही है कि everybody should put a modern तड़का to it.
Yes.
Because we are the youngest nation, as I mentioned earlier. So अगर youth को लाना है तो youth समझता सब कुछ है, तो थोड़ा मॉडर्न स्टाइल में कर लें, उनके स्टाइल से कर लें एक्टिविटीज़ जो भी हैं हमारी फिजिकल या सारी की सारी.
How has the reach been? Like you've been a center based in Delhi, but I'm sure that with online, I'm sure your team will be traveling also. How has the reach been today? Starting from Delhi, how far has you been able to reach? How many institutions have you been able to work with, or maybe how many corporates have you been able to work to? What does the reach look like today with Huhaho?
Since last 2 years now, so we have done a pilot run after creating our center. So we are getting a lot of inquiries that we want to open in our area, and that's already started it. So offline we are also doing it. Like for corporates, they are calling us. Like we do a wellness camp in different organization. When I say wellness camp, it is about some 5-6 hours activity in an organization. When an organization put a circular notice to their staff members that on particular date it's a wellness camp from 11 to 4, whatever convenient time you go and you enjoy this. So what all we are offering into it is like physiotherapy consultation. We offer Ayurvedic therapies into that. We check BMI, body mass index, weight, height. We do ECGs there and then. right? And especially like people, they prefer physiotherapy first because everybody is suffering, some other way around it. The frozen shoulder is a big issue now. The neck, the cervical is a big issue now. So people want to understand. They are covered into medical policies, everything, but nobody is having time for them, for their happiness, right? If a corporate is giving some opportunity in a flexible timing, so they go and understand, right? And after that, we organized, one session, one-to-one session on different techniques, which I was, mentioning. So it depends on corporate to corporate. So somebody is facing a problem with the stress management in their team, so they can opt that topic. So duration of that topic is around 45 minutes, and then 15 minutes is a QA round, right? And after that, there are some guidelines and the management, what objective they want to achieve out of this wellness camp, and then we do a 45 minutes of sound therapy for them, which is very much effective because sound is a form of energy, and it's very powerful. If we go to our temples, already bell lagi hui hai, so it's very soothing. So people are really enjoying it, and this is something unique.
What next with Hoo-Ha Ho? I'm sure you already have a big team who's working with you on it. How can people get associated with it as a volunteer, as a member? If somebody is really interested in giving back to the society, who has something or the other to offer in areas of health, wellness, all of these that you're talking about, how can someone get in touch or get associated with the causes that you're working in, and do they get remunerated, or will it be on a volunteer basis? Just to understand, so that a lot of people are interested. Even I personally am. So I'm asking this question on behalf of a lot of people.
So very soon we are coming up with a book which is based on Hoo-Ha Ho and the real-time activities, and which is giving real-time examples, like Arnima's जो एक प्लेयर रही हैं वॉलीबॉल की, एंड वी ऑल नो शी लॉस्ट हर लेग्स इन वन इंसिडेंट, एंड देन शी क्रिएटेड अ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड climbing the Everest and everything. So these kind of examples we will highlight in our books, जो हमारी जनरेशन जो आज की है, they can understand, they can correlate कि लास्ट 30-40 साल में क्या किया हमने, right? So we are coming up with an app also, and there are a lot of you rightly asked that what's the future for volunteers and who want to associate with it. So recently we approached few state governments, right, and we asked them to give us few parks in morning, like 5 to 7, and as per their comfortable time, so that we can do the wellness part in a bigger manner. So there was one activity which we did in Bombay, where a big brand launched their juice, the organic juice, the cold pressed juice, and they called Jacqueline Fernandez and they called John O'Brien and everybody, and we gave sound therapy there. Instead of high voltage DJ, they introduced sound, and everybody is enjoying it with single malt, with cigars and everything. So this is something like we want to do with the state government. At least the morning time, 5 to 7, or maybe 7 to 8, we give something best to those areas, and automatically it creates a job opportunities for a lot of people. We need 500 yoga teachers as of now, just to cater those 7-8 parks, because ultimately it will fetch like good results altogether. People are concerned about their physical strength, and yoga हमारा है, Ayurveda हमारा है. The best part is now yoga, if it's small live example I'll give you. Last 10 years yoga is like as a yoga day, the entire world is celebrating, right? 190 some odd countries, they are celebrating it, and you name any 5-star property, you name any 10-star property in the world, they are offering yoga. In the morning, beach yoga, and in the evening, aquatic yoga in swimming pool with a white wine or red wine glass, right? So that's a modern tadka. So we have to understand it, that yoga is very powerful. Just we have to find out the ways just to make reach of it. And I think in the world right now, the more demand of yoga teachers instead of a IT professional, right? Dubai, everywhere you talk about any country, they need yoga instructors. और हमारे देश का यूथ बन जाए तो नथिंग लाइक इट. अदरवाइज इंटरनेशनली वो लोग आएंगे और करेंगे. My very dear friend who is exporting sound, gongs since 1995 to European countries, to American countries, to all Middle East countries, and they have incorporated these technologies into their medical system, and the results are amazing, awesome. I guarantee thyroid, initial stages of diabetes, insomnia, you take in writing, you can reverse it with the sound. Hardly 15 to 20 minutes, 4, 5, 10 sittings. That's it. Nothing else. And you can do it at your doorstep. So we need more volunteers. They can, create awareness in their areas also. So a lot of opportunities in, wellness through these wellness programs.
Thank you so much for sharing that. That is helpful for me and a lot of other people. So my last question to you is, do you have a message that you want to actually give to the youth today?
So message is only our tagline. Human staying happy, keeping the hope alive. So if we want to see India एज ए विश्व गुरु, जो हम कहते हैं, हम थे भी, हम हैं भी, हमारी टेक्नोलॉजीज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग रही हैं। नहीं तो आप मुझे बताइए, अगर हमारे पास ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी अंग्रेज आए थे तो क्यों आए थे? दे फाइंड पोटेंशियल इन आवर कंट्री, रिसोर्सेज स्टिल देयर आर, लॉट ऑफ वर्जिन प्लेसेस इन आवर कंट्री, मिनरल्स, इतना सब कुछ है हमारे देश में। और एक चीज़ मैं और हाईलाइट करना चाहता हूँ अपने यूथ को, वर्ल्ड में कुछ बेस्ट है तो वो इंडिया है। और वो कैसे है मैं आपको प्रूव कर सकता हूँ। 2 तरह के लोग होते हैं, सुरलोक, असुरलोक। हमारा जो प्लेस है दैट इज़ टोटली डिवाइन। हमारे यहाँ पहाड़ भी हैं, हमारे यहाँ डेजर्ट भी है, हमारे यहाँ रिवर्स भी हैं, और हम साउथ में तो 3 साइड से सी से पूरे है ही। और फिर भी हमारे यहाँ इस तरह की, जैसे हम सुनते हैं किसी और देश में कि वहाँ टर्नेडोज आ रहे हैं, साइक्लोन्स आ रहे हैं। वी आर ब्लेस्ड, इट इज़ रियली अ डिवाइन प्लेस वी आर इनटू। और हमारे पे तो लोगों ने 500-700 साल राज किया है भाई, उसके बाद भी हमारी हस्ती मिटती नहीं है। कुछ तो बात है हम में। तो हमारे यूथ को उस पर प्राइड करना चाहिए, अपने देश को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना चाहिए। हमारा जो ब्रेन ड्रेन कुछ हद तक रुक गया है, वी सी लॉट ऑफ फॉरेनर्स वर्किंग इन आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस विच इज़ अ पॉजिटिव साइड। तो यूथ को भी वही अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहिए। और कई देश तो हमारे यूथ चला रहे हैं, अमेरिका की यूनिवर्सिटीज़, यूके की यूनिवर्सिटीज़, वहाँ जाके कितने करोड़ रुपए हम लोग ड्रेन कर रहे हैं। आई थिंक टाइम आ गया है कि हमें अपनी चीज़ों पे प्राइड करना चाहिए और उसको प्रोपोगेट भी करना चाहिए जो वर्ल्ड लेवल पे हो रहा है। तो यूथ के लिए मैसेज यही है कि यंगेस्ट आप लोग हो, एंड यू गाइज आर द ओनली गेम चेंजर। देखो हम तो ऑटो में भी हैं, वी आर टाटा एंड किया कार डीलर ऑल्सो। तो हमें पता है आज एक फैमिली में अगर गाड़ी का डिसीजन होता है तो वो बच्चा लेता है, एक यूथ लेता है, पेरेंट्स नहीं लेते हैं। पेरेंट्स तो उनके लिए एफर्ट कर करके रिसोर्सेज इकट्ठा करते हैं, वो बच्चा ही आके बताता है, वो यूथ ही बताता है, पापा आई नीड ए कनेक्टेड कार, आई नीड सनरूफ ऑल्सो, don't go for it, I need alloys also, I need ventilated seats also. So और पेरेंट्स उसकी बात मानते हैं। तो अल्टीमेटली यूथ दे आर द गेम चेंजर, दे शुड टेक ए लीड and they should feel proud on their culture and their background.
Thank you so much, Mr. Harish, for sharing all those insights, all the wisdoms, all about Hoo Ha Ho and all that you're doing today to empower the youth in our nation to actually step up. I would not say that it's about opportunities anymore. It's not about salaries or your bank balance anymore. It's about the real right step that one can actually take, the right path that one can actually take. Thank you so much for this amazing initiative that you have taken, and thank you so much for involving so many people and changing the lives for a lot of people through the path that you have taken. Best luck with Hoo Ha Ho. I would love to be a part of it, and I'm sure this is just the beginning for you in another huge journey of yours that's just starting. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for your time and all the wisdom that you shared.